Welcome to iGlobal Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar failed to stage any significant moves overnight against the weaker US dollar. And at this stage, still questions though whether we can get the challenge of a retest of that 76-figure 25 level that we recently saw last week. Overall, though, the technical implications are breaking down, therefore could see a further decline if we see a break of 75.40. This would actually open up towards the region of 74.75 to 74.40, with the broad support coming in now at 73.75.85, which I believe the market will start taking back potential profits if the decline eventuates. Overnight, the euro did stage a brief challenge to the upside as the US dollar index weakens to 93.67 above the support at 93.40. Although the index did rebound 20 odd points to 93.92, as the fact is that the euro still holds on to its gains. Into tonight, we do have the non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, and the US hourly earnings in the US. This could put a bit of a shake-up in the US dollar as well as in the euro. So do be aware, at 10:30 tonight, City time, is when we get the release. From a technical point, though, the euro is bullish, and I do believe the market could squeeze up towards 117.75 before initially turning around. Support on the day, 116.55 to 115.80. The dollar-yen case is still stabbing towards this region of 108.45, hasn't made any significant moves to the downside, and still holds to a relatively bullish case. I believe the market has potential of breaking higher and seeing a move beyond 108.95 up towards 109.45 before profit taking comes back into play from a long position. The market also looks to dip towards 108.45, and if seen, I'm still a buyer, and I still expect to see this eventually outcome improve to the upside. Well, the pound also improved overnight and briefly looked above the 133 handle after printing a high of 133.47 before slightly staging a pullback. Overall, though, I still feel that we are potentially can see a further rally in the pound and look up towards the region of 134.50 as a target. Dips on the day likely to be supported by 132.55 as an intraday play with a base at 131.90. The gold outlook, well, since the long-legged doji, the market is still slightly hesitant in taking out this level of 0607. It is interesting to see, though, that geopolitical risks still are on the horizon, with the Trump administration recently slapping tariffs on the EU, Canada, and also Mexico, as well as China. Further news will come out about that, but overall, I think the markets will show some retaliation against the tariffs, and therefore could see that the EU did vow on Thursday to retaliate with countermeasures, which could include tariffs on a number of US goods, including cranberries, jeans, and oil juice. And so if that's the picture that's painting for the market, then we could see this level of 0607 taken out. Dips are likely to be shallow, and towards 96 should again stage some demand, and a break of 07 would look towards the region of 12 to 24 as an objective. The silver outlook also pulls back slightly overnight, but nevertheless still a buy around that 30 level. The base still forming at $16.15 region still suggests that we could see an uptest towards the $16.85, so keep an eye on that. And rounding off with oil, where the market has posted a bearish flag, and from the measured move I've highlighted here is the fact is we could be looking down towards the region of $62.40-60 and reassess from there. Until we get the break, though, still look to sell into strength towards the 68 region. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and a great start to the new weekend.